In previous labs, you've learned about physical properties such as mass, density, and solubility, and about two chemical properties, reactivity and combustibility. This lab will give you experience with one additional chemical property, pH. Read and highlight the introductory paragraph paying particular attention to the physical and chemical properties listed. During the chemical detective lab, you learned that a molecule is the smallest piece of a compound and consists of two or more atoms bonded chemically. When molecules are dissolved in water, some release an excess of hydrogen ions, and we call those molecules acids. Some release an excess of hydroxide ions, and we call those molecules or compounds bases. Read and highlight Part 1, paying particular attention to the definitions of acids, bases, and the pH scale. Now you will begin filling in the data table on Sheet 4. Fill in column 3, the prediction column, with the letters A, B, or N, showing if you think the substances will prove to be an acid, base, or neutral. For the first part of the data table, red and blue litmus and pH paper are placed on each of the appropriate squares. Next, 1 drop of each solution is placed on the indicators as I'm showing you now. First is vinegar. Second, the baking soda. Third, soda. Row 4 is detergent. Five, distilled water. And 6, lemon juice. And the final row is ammonia. You will use this image to fill in the data table columns 4 to 6. Please note that for the pH paper column, you need to put the color and the number you think that color best corresponds to, according to the pH scale to the right. One dropper full of cabbage juice has been placed into each of the wells labeled 1 to 7. Now I'll place 1 drop of each solution into its labeled well. Into well 1 goes 1 drop of vinegar. Into 2, baking soda. Into 3, soft drink. Into 4, detergent. Into 5, distilled water. Into 6, lemon juice. And into 7, ammonia. I'm going to make sure these get mixed up well enough. And now you can see a color comparison for the different solutions in cabbage juice. Describe the color seen in each well in column 7 of your data table. This is a lab quest with a pH probe attached. The pH probe directly measures the hydrogen ion concentration in solution and converts it to the pH number that you can then record directly into your data table. So again, this is the vinegar, and you can see how it records the pH number. I've provided these pH numbers for you in the next photo. Now you have all the data and are ready to finish answering the questions in the data analysis, summary, and application sections.